Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Carlos M Kitchen. I am going to make a tapenade. For those of you who are not familiar with it, it is a paté made with black olives, garlic, capers, and a canned fish. I'm making tapas with it, and it is part of the Mediterranean diet. So subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. This particular tapa is super quick and easy to make. For the bread, I will need a little bit of fresh rosemary and garlic without germ to flavor the oil. And I will need a baguette sliced. You can slice it any way you want. Make rounds or cut it at an angle. In order to flavor the extra virgin olive oil, I am gonna warm up and brown the garlic. Turn off the stove, put the rosemary in and allow it to cool down. Once it has cooled down, remove and discard the rosemary and reserve the garlic, like so. Now you can add the bread directly into the pan or remove it and brush the bread on one side with it. Put that side face down on the pan, have the pan on medium heat and paint the dry face of the bread with more oil until toasted. You could also do it on a toaster oven, but it won't look the same. Just with that, it smells really good, you know. Once the bread is toasted on both sides, put it on paper towels to get rid of the excess oil. And now we're gonna go to the next step. This tapenade is traditionally made with anchovies, but I am making it with sardines. These are pretty clean of bones, scales, and are slightly smoked. They are very delicious. These are the other ingredients: black olives, garlic, roasted or fresh, and the capers. You can rinse the capers so that they taste a little milder. The next step is pretty easy. I add the sardines to a blender or food processor, a couple of tablespoons of the olive oil from the sardines, like so. Then add the other ingredients and blend until smooth. And here's a tip. To make it even smoother, you can put fewer sardines or add more olive oil to it. If you like the video so far, give it a thumbs up so other people can find it. This tapenade is very mild, very yummy, and goes really well with the rosemary and garlic toast. To serve it, I put a little saffron aioli and a cheese strip. The recipe for the aioli is on the right of your screen. See you in the next video. Chaito.